Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to enable color correction function in Realme 14 Pro phone, where to find it, how to customize it, and how to turn it off. So first of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Next, we're looking for accessibility and convenience, then accessibility. Next, we need to tap the Vision tab at the top, and here we have our color correction. So to enable color correction, we simply need to tap this switch right here, and we have a few options to choose from. We have two red greens, we have blue yellow and grayscale. So we can pretty much pick and choose whatever we want from these options. And to turn it off, we simply can uncheck this option right here by tapping or untapping this switch. And of course, we also have a shortcut right here. We can choose between floating button and volume keys combination. And that's all. Goodbye.